Did you know that a clean home can lead to happier buyers? It's true. When potential buyers step into a spotless space, they don't just see a house, they envision their future life there. A clean environment creates an emotional connection, allowing them to picture cozy family dinners, serene mornings, and joyful gatherings. But here's the catch. Cleaning isn't just about aesthetics. It's crucial for making a sale. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of precision and reliability. Our professional team specializes in preparing homes to shine before open houses or buyer visits, ensuring a swift turnaround to meet your needs. Imagine showing a home that sparkles and feels inviting. It's a game changer. And here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It makes spaces feel brighter and more welcoming. Remember, a well-lit home highlights its best features and helps buyers feel right at home. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.